How to switch back to personal account on Instagram from business account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily switch back to a personal account from business account on Instagram. So what you basically have to do is go to Instagram profile by tapping on the bottom right corner. And then once you get to your profile section, you can directly tap on professional dashboard. Now, once you have your professional dashboard open, find the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. And then from here, you want to scroll down and tap on Switch Account Type. Then this pop-up will appear. Now, if you want to switch it back to personal, you can just tap on personal account. And if you have a creator account, you can also switch over to business account and vice versa. I'll just switch to personal. Now, just go ahead and tap on switch to personal account again. And then after a while, your profile will be switched back to a normal personal account. Let's just wait for a bit. I'm going to go back. Now, if I refresh my profile, the professional dashboard is gone. And that's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.